Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's vlog, we are on the Disney Destiny and we are giving you a tour of our beautiful room 7082. We've got a veranda. This is my daughter, Alicia. Alright, let's get in the video. Alright, here we are. So we're 782. Alright, so we have the bathroom. So not a lot of storage space here, but you can hang like a toiletry bag here. There's some other little things you can put like your contact solution or whatever. Nice, I love the little Disney towel touches. Got some hand soap here, Kleenex down here. So yeah, the toilet room is very tiny. Yes, just hold on. Hold on. Don't play with the safe like last time, please. Daddy has me trapped in here. I'm trying to do a room tour.
Daddy,
okay, so here is the shower. Again, very tiny, but it does come with a bathtub, which is great for kids. And is great because if your kid is like scared of taking showers, that also could come down. And again, we have some little shelving to put your own shampoo, conditioner, razor. And we have some lotion. We even have a makeup one. That's awesome. You don't see that like anywhere here.
Mommy, it's raining outside.
And oh no.
Mommy,
Oh my goodness.
All
right.
Like it's moving, though.
That's good.
It's moving. So it'll stop. It'll eventually stop.
All right, so we have the Hercules. The Hercules room. So I love this. You can buy these blankets. If you watch other vloggers, you know they are quite pricey. They are in the $300 range. I think you can ask your state attendant. But yeah, I just love all the detail. I think that's just so pretty. And then we have the TV. So over here, sorry, we're kind of like half checked in, so it's going to be a little bit busy here. Okay, so over here you can put some things, this little drawer here. Okay, so here we have 2 USBs, 2 regular, standard. We have the lamp. I got to figure out how this works here, because oh, there we go. There's the reading light. And there we go. Now we have some light in here. I'm going to go back and fix this so you can see. So when you get in, you gotta turn it, and there's actually, you could dim it if you bring it down a little bit. So yeah, now we have some light here. So over here is the European, and I believe there's the USB and regular plug here. So not a lot of outlets here, so you always want to make sure that you bring a non-surge plug.
We're waiting for your mom.
Mommy, I want to do the bag.
Alright, so this does pull down into a sofa sleeper. There's also a little nice table for eating breakfast or having your coffee in the morning. Now, this is so great. Hercules sketch artwork. Very cool. I'll show you I'll just show it to you now. It's so sad. But hopefully, my husband said he looked to the radar and he thinks it's gonna move out. I'm hoping. Now, if you're looking for an amazing stateroom with a balcony, I really suggest our room, because look at how much more space we have. We have tons of space here. Tons of space. So definitely, especially if you have a larger family, I would recommend 7082 here on the Destiny. Careful, I don't want you to slip, please.
Go back inside.
Alright, now, here is some more shelving. to put your valuables. And then there's 4 cups. And we have some more outlets over here, guys. We have European plug. We've got 2 normal US standard plugs with 2 USBs. And while we're here, well, actually, let's just talk about this first. So we have some drawers. Okay, so we have a mini fridge. So we're already getting the Prosecco chill in here.
Mommy, who's outside?
Nobody's outside.
Why?
Because
They have their raincoat on.
oh, okay. So in the first drawer here, we have a hair dryer. We have a heating mat, and then there's some more drawers. You could put some packing cubes. Not a lot of storage space, so definitely recommend
Mommy, I want to see a big.
getting what you need. All right, now if you don't know,
Find me.
we're able to bring on 2 bottles of wine per person or a 6-pack of beer. So that is what we did.
Find me, Mommy.
There you are. There you are. Wow.
And then we have, sorry, my hair's a mess here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just checking in. We got a lovely light up vanity. Really appreciate that, even though I'm not looking so hot right now.
I play hide and seek with you.
Then
Hide and seek with you.
this is where you're gonna have, you could put this outside of your door, and then this is where you have your room service requests. I think we only did it once last time. We're gonna definitely take advantage. I don't know if this could focus better. We're definitely gonna take advantage this time around because we do have the balcony and get some coffee and some pastries and whatnot. And it looks like we have an FBI something or other. Never seen that before. That must be because of this is missing person, so I'm not really sure. We went on a cruise and I don't remember seeing this last time, so I don't know if this is kind of like a trafficking thing or what.
Okay, we're good.
And then they give you a nice little pen. So this is a nice little cute souvenir for the ship. Sorry, I don't know if my
Mommy.
thing is not focusing here. And we have some letters you could write home. That's amazing. Yes, baby.
And I saw that in the cruise ship.
Yeah. All right, so like as if a lot of other Disney hotels, we have all the beds lofted. So my suggestion to you is after you unpack, to take what you need to get out of there and to slide the empty suitcase. And also another tip I had is to leave it actually open when you slide in case we do run out of room. And under here, it's a nice little chair ottoman thing that you can slide out. And here's my crazy daughter. And Jose, my husband, he's popping bottles here. He found the surprise. All right. And then here we have the garbage here in the room.
Mommy,
What?
I want to do some
Oh,
acting.
and do you love the carpet? Oh, and there's a little hook right here, which is awesome too. Okay, now we have Oopa Baby Vista stroller. It's just very helpful for us. We bring the stroller all the time. My daughter's 4. She probably doesn't need it at this time, but we definitely appreciate it just from like traveling with all our luggage in the airport and everything. We like to load this sucker up. So it does fit in here, but you're going to have to take the back wheels off, kind of like when you get on the airplane and you put it in the bag. But this definitely will work. Now let's check out the closet space. And I apologize, it's a little dark in here. I don't know. All right, so we have the life jackets. Let's see if I can make this.
Jackets. Where's the life jacket?
Oh, there we go. We got some light. Well, not very much, but yes, we do have light. Okay, so we have some hangers, and we got some storage space under here.
And then what
And
are
you
these?
could put all your packing cubes. You could even put like a small rolly case in here. No.
Oh.
Okay, remember last time? Okay, so my daughter last time locked us out. And actually, it seems like we're going to be okay with this one, even if she plays with it, because the one on the Wish totally blocked our thing. We couldn't get our closet open, which was horrible. But yeah, it looks like if you want to do laundry, you can do some laundry on the ship.
Mommy,
Here are some of the prices.
that's a life jacket up there. Mommy, the life
It's like
jacket.
$4
Mommy,
for shorts,
Mommy,
paying up
listen,
$6. Yes, these are the life jackets in case something bad happens. We're hoping that we don't need to use those. But yes, there is.
Happened that the boat crash.
Yeah, let's just hope that doesn't happen. Okay, one more closet door.
Look at me, Mommy.
Let me do. Oh no, she's hiding. A lot of hide and seek space for kids in this place. Oh my goodness.
I scare you, everybody.
All right, we got another life jacket up here. And we have more hangers. Actually, there's a lot more closet space on this one than I remember.
Look at me, Mommy. Say hi.
Okay.
Look at Mommy.
Okay. Alright, I think that's going to do it for today's room tour video. If you enjoyed our video, follow along. We have another.
And then subscribe in my channel. I see you next one.
Okay. If you follow along, we have another. We sailed last year on the Disney Wish, so if you haven't checked those vlogs out and you're interested in seeing at the Wish, go ahead and check out those out after this video. And if you're trying to decide which either Wish or Destiny is, both are the same class.
And
so
then subscribe.
yes, subscribe, right? But yeah, for now, friends, we share a lot of Disney content on our channel. My daughter and I have an annual pass for Disney World. We go to Disney multiple times a year. So stick around, subscribe, like my daughter said. Give this video a like. It really does help to support the channel. And we'll see you in the next one. Or at Disney.
Thanks for watching. Bye. You went to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.